In this video, we are going to be analysing Twitter, ticker TWTR. So Elon Musk has just taken over it now. So what are going to be our targets under the new management? So again, these are technical levels. If we see fundamental news come out, and that's why you've seen this stock be quite volatile recently on Elon Musk taking that over. And then we've also seen news of him firing higher ups. And really, it's just quite uncertain, I guess, on the future of it. We're seeing him unban people. So it might actually increase revenue because you're not going to see, as many people. Well, you're going to have more people on the platform, but at the same time, if they're bringing back people that maybe aren't considered advertiser friendly, it may take a dent in their earnings. I mean, that would be an interesting thing to see within the next 2 or 3 earning seasons. But obviously, that's a much further outlook on the stock. So what are going to be the key technical levels we're focusing on as of now? So as of right now, if we continue up, we are looking for a 52-week high actually at $56.30. If we break that, we are then paying attention to $59, going on to $61.75, and then final levels taking us to $64.75 and $67. Now, onto the support side, what are going to be the key things we're paying attention to? So 51 is a kind of key support where we are, but also kind of where we are now, 53.35, that is our second deviation on the daily chart. We can see we came into this level, you got that pullback, you got the breakthrough, you got that retest. So this does indicate most likely this level has held and we will push to that next level. So as of right now, it wouldn't be unlikely to see a push all the way to $56. If we though do break that back below it, then yeah, expect to push to 51. And again, if we continue further down, we have a further support at 48. Going down to 46.60, and then really the only other ones we would be paying attention to for the time being would be $42, $40, and maybe the 36. But again, yes, some of these levels are very far off. You don't need to pay attention to all of them. Just really pay attention to where we are now. So again, if you go into the intraday chart, it makes everything a lot clearer to understand what you need to be paying attention to. So we've just broken through the $53 level. It looks like we've given it some confirmation and we are still seeing buying pressure come in. So it's a good indication that we'll continue up. But now considering we've broken this level, the only 2 levels you need to focus on is, can we still hold above 53.35? If not, then, or are we going to break $56? So really they're the 2 levels you need to focus on. If we end up pushing up to $56, failing off this level, then again our target's going to go back down to 53.35. On the other hand, if you can break it, you come test it as a support, then you would always just move on to your next target, $59. And again, the same thing to the downside. As long as we can hold $53, your target's 56. If not, you're just paying attention. If you break below it, you come back to retest it as a resistance, and if you see selling pressure kick in, then the only level you need to pay attention to after that is really this $51 level, because that would be our next target. Anyway, this is the breakdown of Twitter. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did want to drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.